Hello friends, welcome back. This is Mr. Phillips and today we're going to be going over our first assignment. Alright, so the problem of the day for our first assignment goes as follows. There are 4 rows of tomato plants. There are 3 tomato plants in each row. How many tomato plants are there in all? Go, Put your thinking cap on. Turn your listening ears up. Awesome, great. I'm going to read it one more time. Pay close attention. There are 4 rows of tomato plants. There are 3 tomato plants in each row. How many tomato plants are there in all? Now, when I am thinking about this problem, I know that it said there are 4 rows of tomato plants. That word rows reminds me of something. Reminds me of something that we talked about. Oh, multiplication and arrays. So I know that I'm going to have 4 rows. So before I draw any tomatoes, before I do any of that, I'm going to count my rows first. You said I had 4 rows? I'll have to draw 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I got my 4 rows. It said that I had 3 tomatoes in each row. Got a red mark for my tomatoes. All right, here we go. 1 tomato, stem there, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, it said how many do I have in all? So all I have to do now is count them all. I count them all, and I know that I'm going to get 12. Now I'm going to show you how I know I got 12, because I'm going to count them and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 tomatoes in all. Now, I'm going to show you a quick way that we could do this as well. We know that arrays represent the operation of multiplication. We know that the first factor in our multiplication is the number of rows. If we have 4 rows, that's the first factor. So, that's my 4. Then, I know that I have to have my multiplication sign, and then I have to have the amount within the group, which is 3. There are 3 tomatoes in each row. Now, I know that together, they gave me my 12. So, I had 12 in all. Okay? So, at the end of the day, that's how many tomatoes we had. Now, I'm going to jump to some of you all's work and see what you guys did. I found this student here, Rosemary, and she did the same thing. If you look at her work, she had an awesome array, and she had her 4 rows, and she had a 3 in each row, and she wrote her number sentence to the side as well. So she had her 4 times 3 equals 12. Way to go, Rosemary. Let's give her some claps. Awesome. Great. Well, friends, thank you all for joining me as we went over our first problem of the day. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, email, contact myself or any of the 3rd grade team at FPA. We'll be more than happy to help you. Know that you are blessed. Know that you are loved. Mr. Phillips is out.